Welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Coleman 8-person Carlsbad darkroom dome camping tent with screen room, a perfect blend of comfort and functionality for your outdoor adventures. This tent features a fast-pitch setup system, making assembly a breeze with its pre-attached poles, hub, fast-fit feet, and snag-free clips. Enjoy the extra screen room with a full floor, ideal for storing gear or lounging, while the Illumiline Reflective guy lines enhance visibility at night. The side window awnings not only protect against rain but also aid in ventilation, ensuring a comfortable camping experience. Included in the package are the 8-person Carlsbad tent, a detachable rainy rainfly, a mud mat, tent stakes, a carry bag, and an instruction manual. With dimensions of 15 by 12 feet and a center height of 6 feet, this tent offers ample space for family and friends. So, gear up for your next camping trip with the Coleman Carlsbad tent and enjoy the great outdoors like never before. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.